The Bob Lift 6.3-ton knuckle boom truck-mounted crane, with a maximum lifting capacity of 6,300 kilograms, is able to cope with a variety of heavy lifting tasks with ease. With a maximum boom length of 9.9 meters, it can cover a wider operating range. Whether it is aerial work or ground handling, it can be easily completed. Adopting 4-link structure, it can realize reverse angle, wide referencing range and flexible operation. Equipped with emergency stop button, in case of emergency, it can stop working immediately.